Hello and welcome to the video where we'll learn to use the Windows Registry Analysis tool. So first we need to go to the GitHub location where the code repository for this particular tool has been stored. So here we see the green drop down for code to be downloaded as a zip folder. Once this has been downloaded and unzipped, it will present us with these particular files. So this is the library files, which has the prerequisite library folders and files for this particular tool to work. And this is the Python source code. The Perl plugins for the 12 artifacts which we will be discussing soon, which are nothing but the report extracts that this particular registry tool supports, can be found also in the library file. So here we can see the plugins. So what we need to do here for this tool to run is to just right click and run as administrator the exe file. The tool has launched. So we see that the tool has 4 separate sections. One is where we browse for the registry files. Here we can give an option to search the entire drive or a particular folder, or we can give the absolute path of where the registry files lie, which we need for our investigation. The second section is where we need to select any of the predefined artifacts, and the results for the selected artifacts will be shown here in the results sections. We also have a generate report option to generate a PDF report for all the selected artifacts. So let's see the operation via an example. So first we'll click on the browse button, and let's suppose I just give this folder as an input folder. So here the tool has searched for all the Hive files present in these particular folders and given me the options to make my own choice via the radio buttons that are presented here. So you can change and select any file. For now, I will just keep the default selection, which is the Windows 11 software, system, SAM, and ntuser.dat Hive files. I click on the submit button and my selected files have been presented here. So now if I click on USB devices, it will give me the list of USB devices that have been plugged in into this particular Windows 11 machine. Also, this will give us the information of the second artifact that has been selected beneath the first one, and here we have a scroll bar to view the complete information. So for the information that might not be that self-explanatory, like for user groups, it gives an entire explanation of what each and every field means, and then it presents you the details for the user groups. Similarly for DHCP, which gives us the IP addresses that have been allocated to this particular machine at any given point of time. So if you scroll down, so all the description of the fields have been given here, and then the values are displayed here. So if we deselect any of these options, so the result will also get erased for that particular artifact. For example, if we erase USB devices, we see that it's now starting with operating system, and the USB devices in the results section has been erased. If we want to get rid of operating system details, we can just uncheck it and it will get erased. There's an option of select all to select all the artifacts at once. So we can see all the information has been presented here. So we can also generate the PDF report into our desired location. So if I just select desktop, and here we see that the registry analysis report has today's date and the time that this particular report is being generated. If I click on save, will say that the report has been generated successfully, indicating that the report was able to get generated successfully. If we go to the desktop and see our report, so here we can see that presents the forensic report for the selected artifacts. The PDF report has links to each of the selected artifacts. If we click on the link, let's suppose for operating system details, it will take us to the section where the operating system details are present. If we want to make any other selection, let's suppose the last shutdown time. So here we'll get the last shutdown time of the machine. This is how the report looks like. This is the place for recent applications. This is the section for recent web URLs. So this is how we can use the tool. Thank you.